It was the higher other income that aided the company's bottom line in the fourth quarter of financial year 2018. Now, if you see the headline numbers, revenue and EBITDA were literally flat at around 3,662 crore rupees and 1,606 crore rupees. However, margins declined marginally to around 43.8% in the fourth quarter of financial year 2018. Net profits increased by around 3.6% to 606 crore rupees, while tenancy ratio, that is the operator's antenna on one tower, declined marginally to 2.3 times from 2.38 times in the last quarter. Now, on the operational side, it was the higher energy spread that aided the company's financials. Now, energy spread was at around 11%, which was at 12-quarter high, while the 93% jump in other income, that was the other thing that aided the company's bottom line in the fourth quarter of financial year 2018. Now, other income jumped by 93% to 96 crore rupees in the fourth quarter of financial year 2018. However, the company booked an exceptional loss of close to 50 crore rupees in the fourth quarter related to the write-off of recoverable dues from Aircel, which to somewhat extent weighed on the financials of the company in the fourth quarter. Now, like what happened in Q3, Q4 also saw some tenancy exits. Close to 9,800 tenants exited from Bharti Infratel towers because of consolidation in the telecom service provider space. However, of them, close to 2,500 continued to pay in the fourth quarter of financial year 2018. The company also declared a dividend per share of around 14 rupees, which means that the dividend payout has again remained above 100% for the second consecutive year. Now, Bharti Infratel's conference call is scheduled today, and investors will be keenly watching out for any acquisition update of Idea and Vodafone's stake in Indus Towers, and along with this, management commentary on further tenancy outlook will be one of the key things to watch out for in the conference call that is scheduled to be today.
And we'll have a fourth quarter loss for Bharti Airtel, Sumit, after a really long time. But what's anticipated? I think everybody's taken on board that there will be a loss. That alone will not move the stock now.
So I'll start off with the headline numbers for Bharti Airtel. Now, the fourth quarter is expected to be another weak quarter for Bharti Airtel. Now, revenue and EBITDA both are expected to decline. Revenue is expected to decline by around 2.4% to close to 19,800 crore rupees, while EBITDA is expected to decline by 7% to close to 7,000 crore rupees. Now, this is the third consecutive decline for revenue, and the EBITDA number of close to 6,967 crore rupees will be the lowest that the company will be reporting in the last 17 quarters. Margins are expected to decline by another 170 basis points to 35.1% in the fourth quarter of financial year 2018. Now, the company is expected to report its net loss of around close to 25 crore rupees, and this will be the first ever net loss in the last 60 quarters that Bharti Airtel is expected to report. Now, ARPU, that is the average revenue per user, is expected to decline for the 7th consecutive quarter, and in this quarter compared to the last quarter, it will decline by around 7% to 115 rupees per user. So what led to such a weak quarter? Well, it was the tariff cuts by Reliance Jio, cut in international termination rate, and ARPU downtrading that led to such a weak quarter. Now, in fourth quarter, Jio had revised its tariff downwards twice in the start of the month, and the international termination rates were cut by around 43% to 30 paise, while users continued to choose lower ARPU plans, which led to ARPU downtrading in the fourth quarter of financial year 2018. Now, for Bharti Airtel, its Africa operations, which have been aiding the company's financials for the last few quarters, are expected to report healthy numbers in a seasonally weak fourth quarter for Africa, and data consumption, which is the key theme for a service provider right now, is expected to increase in the fourth quarter of financial year 2018 again. Now, key things to watch out for would include management commentary on the capex plan, the leverage ratio, and how they are going to fund it, and along with that, the completion of recent acquisitions that the company has made will also be a keen thing to watch out for. Also, further stake sale of Bharti Airtel in Infratel and its DTH business will also be a keen thing to watch out for in the fourth quarter of financial year 2018, and also their outlook on the Africa business, which has been doing well for the company, will be watched out for.